Hey everyone. Got a real short one this week because I just got back from being out of town and I'm going out of town. But you're going to like the reasons I'm out of town, possibly. One, the Gunmakers match, right? I mentioned it before. It was a delight. It was super well run. It was a really good time. I met a lot of cool people. I had a whole lot of fun. And as many of you know, Carl was there. I had him with me, and all of the great footage he captured is going to wind up over on InRange. So, I mean, let's be honest, are any of you not subscribed to InRange by now at this point? But that's where you're going to see that over the next few weeks. I'll drop in a little teaser, a minute long kind of highlight reel at the end here. But yeah, if you're not familiar with the community, as I said, the specimens that showed up, the people who showed up, it was a terrific time. I've got ShmooCon this weekend, so for my hacker folk who'll be in DC, maybe I'll see you. But I don't know, maybe I'll try to record that Q&A that I'm finally getting together. Hopefully get some more good stuff. I know Tony and I have some tools to release soon. Man, life just does not slow down. But all right, thank you all for watching. Catch you soon. Stay safe out there. All right, we're going tunnel rat.
Shooter, ready. Stand by. That's what 1911s do, just so you guys know. That is actually period correct. He has actually made a perfect replica of a commercial 1911 because they don't work either. Safety.